Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another website. You can claim your free Tron from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website. And first of all, go to deposit, copy your Tron wallet address from your deposit link. Just click it, copy it, okay, and then come here in this website. Just put your Tron wallet address in here, and after that putting, just click login. And first of all, solve this capture is too easy. Just click solve it, and then solve the edge capture. Wait few seconds. It's tell you this made for cloud R's. Okay, just click the R's in the made in a cloud. Just click next. This is a horse. Okay, just click verify, and then verify capture. And now you can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay. Go to my faucetpay, go to overview to show you this website send me or not. Wait a few seconds to show me the receivement. Okay guys, now you can see this website send me instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.